Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel TL Technical Solutions. Today we are going to talk about online training program on development of eContent interactive resources. This training program will be organized by CIET and it is going to be held from 24th of July till 28th of July 2023. This is the 5 days training program which will be a live telecasted on NCERT's official YouTube channel from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on daily basis. As you know, as recommended by NEP 2020, such programs are being organized to improve the quality of online education. This training program is meant for teachers, students, teacher educators, administrators and other stakeholders of education department. On your mobile or computer screen, you can see the 5 days training program schedule, and at the end of the session, they will conduct the quiz and the participants have to score 70% or more than 70% to get the certificate. Any student, teacher educator, parent, administrator can participate. In order to participate, you have to register yourself by clicking the following link. The link will also be provided in the description box. After clicking on the link, you can see the Google registration form. Here you have to fill your email address. You have to mention your state or UT. Just choose a title. Write your name, mobile number, select your profession. In case of teacher, choose the appropriate option. If you have attended any training regarding interactive resources in the past, then you can also provide your feedback. And lastly, you have to select the option, how did you come to know about this training program? After selecting all the mandatory options, you have to click over the submit button. You can register yourself prior to training program, in between training program, and after the training program before you are going to submit the quiz. The quiz or the assessment will open on 28th by 6 p.m. and it will close on 6th of August 2023 by 6 p.m. And it is clearly mentioned on the official website of NCERT that in order to get the certificate, you have to score 70 or more than 70% in the quiz. It is only then you will receive a certificate of participation on your registered email ID within 30 days. Links of sessions starting from 24th till 28th of July will be provided in the description box. For more information regarding this event, you can click on the following official website of CIET. That is all about today's video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.